No, not happening.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 409, effective until Thursday. This watch includes the following counties: in Wisconsin, Barron, Chippewa, Dunn, Eau Claire, Pippin, Pierce, Polk, Rusk, and St. Croix. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Weather Radio Station WXJ88, serving west central Wisconsin. We broadcast. Thunderstorm warning for northern St. Croix County until 9:45 p.m. At 9:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Richmond, or 19 miles north of River Falls, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations include Glenwood City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following county: St. Croix, Wisconsin. Southwestern Dunn County, southeastern St. Croix County until 11 p.m. At 10:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodville, or 14 miles east of River Falls, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elmwood around at 10:30 p.m. Nap around 10:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Menominee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Dunn, Pierce, and St. Croix. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Buffalo County until 12:45 a.m. At 11:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Moldovia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Moldovia around 12:05 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Moldovia Airfield, Gilmanton, the Big Swamp area, Earn and Lookout. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. for the following county: Buffalo, Wisconsin. Wisconsin. This is AM for northern and Trempealeau County. At 12:18 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Strum, or 9 miles north of Whitehall, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail, very frequent lightning. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe storm will be near Osseo around 12:25 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include the Morris Valley area, Eleva, Pleasantville, Chimney Rock, Highway 53 and County East, Elk Creek and Pigeon Falls. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 88 and 91. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. for the following county: Trempealeau, Wisconsin. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Jackson County and west central Wisconsin until 1:45 a.m. At 12:44 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitehall, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazard: golf-ball-sized hail. Very frequent lightning. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage